Step into a world of kitchen organization and culinary convenience with our thoughtfully crafted pantry designs. Your kitchen pantry isn't just a storage space, it's the heartbeat of your kitchen, ensuring everything you need is within arm's reach. Our pantry designs are a testament to both functionality and style. We understand the importance of maximizing space, and our designs are meticulously planned to provide you with ample storage for all your cooking essentials. From shelves to drawers, pull-out racks to custom organizers, we've considered every detail to keep your pantry tidy and efficient. But it's not just about utility. Our pantry designs are also a reflection of your personal taste. Whether you prefer a classic, traditional look or a sleek, modern aesthetic, we offer a range of styles and finishes to complement your kitchen's overall design. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to culinary ease. With our pantry designs, you'll not only keep your kitchen organized but also elevate its appeal. From ingredients to cookware, your pantry will become a place of order and inspiration, making every meal preparation a joy. Experience the perfect blend of form,